Hi, my name is Sorgo, and today our first class topic is keyword research. What is keyword? Keyword means when people are search any search engine like Google, they are search like any product, service, or want to know something, and that's why this search engine is the keyword. And now our first class, and I will divided three class in keyword research. First class is service related keyword research. Second class is product or e-commerce related keyword research. Third class is blog related keyword research. And I am use SEMrush tool because you want to keyword research, then you need to any SEO tool, and uh, as well as SEMrush or other SEO tool like HRFs, and then over searches, search journal, small SEO tools, scaling frog. But I used to SEMrush because it is cheap. And now I start keyword research, and I was selected one keyword research is garage door repair Staten Island, and this is a service keyword research because today our first class is service related keyword research, and that's why now I start our class. Firstly, I make the sheet. I search the uh, tool, and Google suggested, and PAA means people search, and now Google suggested. Firstly, when I search this keyword place to repair Staten Island, then Google has suggested some keyword or this is relevant or variation. These are called first, and this is our main keyword. Then this is our main keyword, and now I'm going. Google has some suggested first Google garage door open installation Staten Island. It is important. Garage door repair near me, it is very important because most of the people are search this keyword, and it is very competitive keyword. And third is Christians overhead door important. All Staten Island garage door important. Angel garage door repair important. Home repair garage doors, commercial garage doors important. But last is church garage door, it is not important. Then I chose all this. Okay, I select the all keywords which is the important for my business, then I was selected. And now I go to the SEMrush because it is SEO tool. Okay, here is our SEMrush dashboard, and this segment is important because we are SEO specialist, then we are need to this SEO segment all this section. And now we are entered this our main keyword garage door repair Staten Island. Then enter. Yeah. Keyword overview garage door repair Staten Island. Then images here is show the desktop and mobile. You need to mobile the mobile section because most of the your client are searching the mobile. Here is important. Here show the commercial means any types of service website is these types of keyword are commercial keyword, and like garage to repair, carpet cleaning, windows cleaning, then home washer, hair salon, then restaurant. These types of all service website is commercial website. And here show the volume and carry. What is volume? Volume means how many people search this keyword garage to repair Staten Island. Yeah, this keyword are searched the 140 people, that's why here is show the 140 volume. And secondly 23% KD, it is important, but afterwards we are conversion and this related video I will share you. And here is important keyword research, and go to the view keyword, then SEMrush give the lots of keyword, and we choose all keyword. And I want to now export, but we had some problem. Our keyword is commercial keyword, but here is show navigation. Navigation means it is important for product or Once people are asking something by the product and specifically go to the website, then important than navigation, but it is not important for right now. That's why I will specific keyword research, then I will select the intent commercial apply. Yeah, I will show. Now I export. Afterwards I will select which keyword is important or not important. After I justify. Now I export, then go to the sheet and import this file. Okay, import, insert new sheet. Here showing sorry, this keyword, intent, volume, and keyword and other. This three option is this is feature. It is simple, but after we are conversion this related video I will show you. And now I know now times I not important, that's why I cut it. There is four segment. And it's a keyword, and few times ago we are keyword search in Google suggestion. Just select this keyword, then and now first this keyword. Okay, that is our end our keyword research. But one more segment, when your researcher client your website, then you need to one blog section in your website, because you want to create a one blog page, because when your audience niche relevant audience like our my niche is garage to repair, then your niche relevant audience are search how to garage to repair, how to manually garage to repair without any repairs garage to repairsman. That's why we need to blog segment, and we are now some keyword research with question related keyword, and go to the show and is some scroll down, then here is show people source, here is show the Google some question related keyword. What is the comment? It is important. Sorry. Okay, you are find it which is the very important question for your blog or in your website. That's why you are justify, and afterwards you are select your all keywords. That's it.